everyone. This is try number 2, because, well, I guess 3 if you consider us trying to get on Zoom. But the second time I recorded, I was using my earbuds, and apparently it didn't work. So we're going to try this again. So here's slide 1, identify the x-intercept. Here's the x-axis. Where does the function go through? Where does it hit? Boom, right there. If you click on that, negative 9, 0. So you're just going to write that as you see it. Negative 9, 0. Slide 2, identify the y-intercept. So we're looking at the y-axis right here. Where does it, when it goes, where does it hit? Boom, right there. 0, 3. Slide 3 is choose the correct response below to indicate what this function is doing. Remember, from the left to the right, what is this doing here? It is going up, right? So it's increasing. Slide number 4. Identify the x-intercept. Where's the x-axis? Right here, that horizontal line. Where does this function, as I move from left to right, where does the function cross the x-axis? Right there. So you're going to write negative 1.585, 0. Number 5, y-intercept. These should not be difficult, right? This is the y-axis. Where does it cross? 0, 2. 6, choose the correct response. Say what it's doing. Again, it's moving as we move from left to right. It is going, I'm the worst at drawing straight lines. It's going up, so it is increasing. Slide 7. What interval is the graph constant? So here we have increasing, 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 going up, going up, going up. Starts to go down. Boom. Right here is where it's not increasing and it's not decreasing. So that would be blue. Slide 8. The interval colored red is doing what? So here, again, now be very careful. A lot of wrong answers on here because I think we're not paying close attention. This is increasing, right? It's going up, it's going up, it's going up. That up the roller coaster, boom, right here. It's, anybody been on those rides where you're going really high, but it's that little dip at first? You're like, I can do this. And that's like, that's exactly what's happening here, right? So this one is going up and then it's going down a little bit. So this one is increasing and decreasing. Number 9, the interval colored green is doing what? Right here, from left to right. We're looking at from the left to the right. So the most left part of the green, it is going down. It's decreasing. Slide 10. Identify the x-intercepts, right, as an ordered pair. So again, we're just clicking where the function crosses the x-axis, and we would write both of those in here as ordered pairs. Negative 1.732, 0, and 5, 0. Slide 11, identify the y-intercept. This one's messed up. So here's the y-intercept, 0, 3. We're just going to skip 11. What is the maximum value? This is where we have a lot of trouble, right? Everybody knows this is the max, right there. We have a lot of people who seem to be understanding that. Oh no. Oh no. Zoom me out. Whew! It was a little scary right there, wasn't it? Okay. So here's the max. I was clicking and it zoomed in. That is not good. Here's the max. So what's this ordered pair though if we click on that? That ordered pair is 0, 3. 0 right here on the y, does that tell me the height of the function? No, right? I want to know, this is the height. So what value is this right here that's going to tell me the height? It's that y value. So I want to write it as the y equals 3. Okay, that'll tell me how high the roller coaster goes. If I would say 0, that does not tell me this height, right? So to make sure we do y equals 3. 13, the function is increasing from. Okay, so let me see where this is increasing first. This first part of the red, right? Let me switch to I'm so bad at freehand, but right here, this part is increasing. It's going up. So from negative 2 to 0. Negative 2 to 0, it's increasing. Great, 14. The function is constant from. Now let's look at these. Negative 2 to 8, that's right here. Negative 1, negative 2, all the way to 8. That's showing me the range of the entire function. So that's not right. X equals negative 2 is right here, right? So that's constant right there. Okay, but that's not showing me a range. So it's going to be this one, right? From 1 to 3. That interval in there is constant. Slide 15. The function is decreasing from, right here, decreasing. We do have 2 intervals from 0 to 1. It's decreasing, but I don't have that over there. From here is from 3 to 8, so it's going to be right there. 16, x-intercepts. Again, this should just be x and y intercepts, guys, we should have no issues with yet. So 2 x-intercepts. We're going to just write those as we see them. Decimals are fine. It's not scary. Don't be scared. Don't let it freak you out. Y-intercept. Rudder. 0, comma, -5. There we go. 18. Choose the correct response below to indicate what the function's doing. What's it doing? It's going down. Then what is it doing? It's going up. So it's increasing and, excuse me, whoa, this is Hauge. Back up. It's decreasing and then it's increasing. I was choosing the wrong one. Boom. 19. It's the min. Again, this one's a little tricky too. Don't be alarmed. This is actually the what. If 0 is the x value and we have something over a different point, we want to go with this other one where it stops going down and starts going up, because this is the y-intercept, right? We want to find the part which stops decreasing and starts to increase. So that's right here. That y value is -1, and again, we want to write it as y equals -1. Slide 20. Where's this negative from? Right, here's quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. We're looking at the x-axis, and we want to know what is below, right? What's underground, if you will, if you go back to the roller coaster problem. So where's this thing going underground in a tunnel? It's from here to here, right? And remember, when we're talking about the x-intercepts, that's drawing our eyes to those points to see where would that graph be folded in half. What's above, what's below the x-axis. And in this case, it's from -3 to +2. Do we see that? -3. So we're going to write x equals -3 to x equals +2. And last but not least, for the third time today, the function is positive from, remember, we're looking above the x-axis, right? We're looking in those quadrants 1 and 2. I didn't realize that when I draw, my face goes away. Lucky for you guys. Okay, so what's that from, guys? 1, 2, if we bring this down to the x-axis, 6. So x equals 1 to x equals 6. Bada boom, bada bing. Good luck reviewing, and I hope you rock your test. See you later.